The anatomy of the brain is complex, consisting of various structures that work together to regulate bodily functions, cognition, emotions, and behavior. Here's an overview. Major divisions of the brain: 1. Forebrain, cerebrum, largest part of the brain, divided into 2 hemispheres. Contains cerebral cortex, responsible for higher cognitive functions like thinking, memory, decision-making, and sensory perception. Divided into 4 lobes. Frontal lobe, associated with reasoning, planning, movement, speech, and emotions. Parietal lobe, processes sensory information like touch, temperature, and pain. Temporal lobe, responsible for hearing, memory, and language comprehension. Occipital lobe, processes visual information. Thalamus, relay station for sensory and motor signals to the cortex. Hypothalamus, regulates homeostasis, controlling hunger, thirst, temperature, and the endocrine system. Basal ganglia, involved in movement regulation and habit formation. Limbic system, includes the hippocampus and amygdala. 2. Midbrain, located below the forebrain and above the hindbrain. Contains structures like tectum and tegmentum, help process visual and auditory information and control movement. Substantia nigra, involved in movement and reward. 3. Hindbrain. Cerebellum, coordinates voluntary movements, balance, posture, and motor learning. Pons, links the cerebrum and cerebellum, involved in breathing and sleep regulation. Medulla oblongata, controls vital functions like heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. Other key components: corpus callosum, a bundle of nerve fibers connecting the 2 hemispheres, enabling communication. Ventricular system, 4 interconnected ventricles filled with cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions the brain and removes waste. Brainstem, includes the midbrain, pons, and medulla, serving as a critical pathway for information between the brain and spinal cord. Protective structures: 1. Skull, encases and protects the brain. 2. Meninges, 3 layers that cover and protect the brain and spinal cord. 3. Cerebrospinal fluid, provides cushioning, nutrient delivery, and waste removal. Functional networks: sensory areas, process input from the senses. Motor areas, control voluntary movements. Association areas, integrate information and support higher-order functions like reasoning and problem-solving. The brain's intricate anatomy underpins its remarkable functionality, enabling everything from basic survival tasks to complex thought and creativity.